Market leaders don't crack under pressure and find unique ways to overcome unexpected challenges. Imagine your enterprise has everything in place, from the shop floor and the control level to the IT systems. No matter how well prepared you are, random economic factors may cause a sudden problem of abundance and force you to consider costly infrastructure upgrades. The game changes with Mitsubishi Electric.
The MelIPC MI5000 contributes to productivity enhancement by using production data and enabling real-time data analytics.
It also improves quality on the shop floor. The module can run 2 operating systems at the same time, which reduces system configuration costs and needed space. It is a wise alternative for big investments connecting the IT system and shop floor together. In terms of data management, it helps you make the most out of the available assets and move forward. Learn more about its game-changing characteristics by visiting our website or YouTube channel and see our definition of digital manufacturing.